Hey, I'm Tim Axley. I'm from Virginia, and about 2018 I bought a travel trailer from a dealer somewhere near home, and I purchased the trailer because my wife and I wanted to hit the road and go out and seek that adventure of experiencing camping in a travel trailer. Seems like every time I take it to get it fixed, it takes 2 to 3 months, and first issue I ever had was the furnace didn't want to work, and I'm sure it was something really simple, but it took them 3 months to get that fixed. And when they got finished with it, let's just say it wasn't up to expectations. I was an educator for 20 years, so I didn't really want to go to school again, but I did not want to have to take my travel trailer to anyone and get it fixed. So I came down here, I'm attending school, and the main reason I'm here is so I can fix my own travel trailer. First off, you know, that first day everybody's brain is like, whoa, wait a minute, this is really way over their head, and it's a lot of theory. And I taught electronics, so I understood it, but I was listening to my classmates and they're talking about the depth of it. And my neighbor who's in the class, I told her, I said, just stay calm, it'll become clear to you. So that first day, people walked out of here glassy-eyed. The second day, at the end of the second day, her and I went to her trailer. Before we even started that, she said, well, it's much more clear today. And here we are on day 3, and we've gone through all these systems. And honestly, I think a couple things have happened. One, we have the knowledge, but more importantly, we have a resource because we can call back here. So even if I don't get every bit of knowledge that I need right this minute, I have a resource to call and say, hey, I have this issue, what do I need to do? And as I was going to the class, I realized there's probably other people having the same issues I'm having. I'm gonna go ahead and get the certification, and that way if I come across somebody who really is in a bind and they need their rig fixed, I can fix it. And I'm going to go ahead and do an inspector course because I have a number of friends who have recently bought travel trailers or fifth wheels or RVs, and again, I mean, I'm not going to work for free, but I could do an inspection on the rig and say, hey, this is something you might want to have looked at. So I'm down here, and you know, I think it's going to be well worth the money because in the end, I'll be able to fix my own stuff. I don't have to wait 3 months. I can wait until I have time, which since I'm retired, I have the time. So here I am. And hey, if you're out and about and you see me, let me know about your experience too.